Is the world of cryptocurrency confusing? You're not alone. For every person making a fortune in crypto, there are a dozen more trying to figure out what the hell DeFi NFTs or Layer 2 even mean. But behind the noise, behind the scandals and market crashes, there's something far more important happening. A transformation, not just in money, but in trust, in community, in what the internet might become. This is the story of where crypto came from, where it is now, and where it's going next. Let's go deeper. To understand where we are, we have to go back. It's 2008. The world is reeling from a financial collapse. Banks fail, homes are lost, governments bail out the very institutions that caused the crisis. And in the shadows of this chaos, a white paper appears, authored by a mysterious figure, Satoshi Nakamoto. It proposes a simple but radical idea, a form of money that doesn't rely on trust. No banks, no governments, just math. In 2009, Bitcoin is born, a digital currency, decentralized, finite, a way to store value and transfer it across the globe without permission. At first, it's dismissed, then it's laughed at, then it becomes real. By 2015, Ethereum introduces smart contracts, code that can execute agreements automatically. Suddenly, the blockchain isn't just money, it's programmable. This paves the way for DeFi, decentralized finance, apps that let you lend, borrow, earn, or swap tokens without a middleman. No banker, no broker, just you and the protocol. Then came NFTs, Web3, DAOs, and a vision of the internet where users own their data, their money, and their identity. That's the revolution. If Bitcoin started as a protest against centralized power, it grew into a movement shaped by people, all kinds of people. The crypto community isn't just one thing, it's a patchwork of voices, cultures, and motivations. Tech enthusiasts chasing innovation, libertarians seeking freedom from centralized control, developers building open source tools, gamers playing turn in virtual economies, artists launching NFT collections as digital liberation, and ordinary people in developing countries using stablecoins to survive inflation in Nigeria. Crypto adoption is among the highest in the world, not because it's trendy, but because it works where the local currency doesn't. In Ukraine, crypto donations helped fund aid during wartime. In Venezuela, Bitcoin became a lifeline as the national currency collapsed. Meanwhile, online, the culture is vibrant and weird. Crypto Twitter is a rollercoaster of memes, debates, and alpha leaks. Discord servers hum with the energy of builders. Telegram channels churn with news, pump and dumps, and underground chatter. It's chaotic, but it's also alive. And unlike traditional finance, anyone can join. Okay, so how do you actually get into crypto? First, understand this. Crypto is not one thing. Bitcoin is different from Ethereum. Solana is different from Dogecoin. Each coin, each network has a purpose, a philosophy, a trade-off. Bitcoin, digital gold, slow, but ultra-secure and decentralized. Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform, home of DeFi and NFTs. Solana, fast and cheap, built for scale, but more centralized. Cardano, research-driven, methodical, slower to launch. Avalanche, Polkadot, Cosmos, each trying to solve scaling and interoperability. Then there are stablecoins like USDC, DAI. They track the US dollar, offering price stability inside a volatile ecosystem. You'll need a wallet, like MetaMask or Phantom. This is your crypto identity, a place to hold your tokens, connect to dApps, and sign transactions. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken help you trade. But if you're serious about security, you'll want to withdraw to cold storage, like a ledger device. But here's the twist. In crypto, you are your own bank. That's freedom. But it's also responsibility. One lost seed phrase, and your money is gone. No password resets, no customer service. That's why education matters. That's why community matters. The journey hasn't been smooth. For every breakthrough in crypto, there's been a breakdown in trust. Mt. Gox, BitConnect, Luna Celsius, FTX. Entire empires collapsed. Billions of dollars vanished overnight, and millions of people were left asking, is any of this real? It's a fair question, because crypto has had a hype problem. Too many promises, too many influencers, not enough results. But here's the other side. Each crash filters out the noise. Each bear market forces builders to get real. Today, the industry is quieter, but it's also smarter, more focused, more regulated, more experienced. And the dream, it's not dead, it's evolving. So what's next? Imagine a world where you send money globally in seconds, with zero fees. You earn passive income by staking your savings. You own part of the platforms you use every day, and your online identity is portable, encrypted, and fully yours. That's the vision. But getting there means solving big challenges. Scalability. Can networks handle millions of users without breaking? User experience. Can wallets and dApps become as simple as using security? Can we stop the hacks, rug pulls, and phishing scams? Sustainability. Can blockchains go green without losing decentralization? And then there's regulation. Governments are waking up. Some want to ban crypto. Others want to tax it. A few want to embrace it. We'll see central banks launch their own digital currencies. We'll see lawsuits, crackdowns, lobbying wars. But eventually, we'll see integration. Crypto won't replace the financial system overnight, but it will reshape it, quietly, inevitably. Crypto isn't just about technology. It's about trust. Trust in code, trust in communities, trust that we can build systems that serve more people, not just the privileged few. Yes, there's hype. Yes, there are bad actors. Yes, it can feel overwhelming. But beneath all that, there's a core truth. The future of crypto is being written right now by developers in Kenya, artists in Argentina, activists in Iran, and you, wherever you are. So don't let the jargon scare you. Don't let the crashes disillusion you. Don't let the gatekeepers keep you out. Start learning. Ask questions. Explore. Because in the end, crypto isn't just about coins or charts. It's about people. It's about possibility and the community we choose to build together. If this video helped you see crypto a little clearer, give it a like and subscribe for more grounded stories from the world of blockchain. Drop a comment below. What excites you most about crypto's future? And if you want more content that cuts through the hype and gets to the heart of the crypto revolution, you're in the right place. See you in the next one.